Nestled in Old Bampshire, on the line between Aberdeen and Inverness, is the town of Keith. While the ScotRail station is a single platform affair today, there are signs that this used to be part of something bigger. Looking east, you can see a line branching off under the right-hand semaphore signal. Even the serving platform is still evident. The line carrying on to the southwest. On a map, it's easier to see where the old line went, but nowadays the line stops dead. This was part of the Keith and Dufftown Railway, the Whisky Line. It was severed by Railtrack, Network Rail's predecessor, in 1998. The remainder of the railway came under the current ownership of the Keith and Dufftown Railway Association. The line's northern terminus is here at Keith Town. The station was rebuilt in 2005 following the line's disuse in the 1990s. The rebuild is faithful too. Check out station images from the 1970s in this video's description link. We're here of course to ride the line, courtesy of these workhorses. They serve rural routes right across Scotland and the rest of the UK. And today quite a few have been preserved, providing those the chance of a trip down memory lane. Unusually for a preserved railway, most of the line was still intact when the Railway Association took ownership. Services started running as a passenger railway in 2000. Whisky had long ceased to be transported by rail from the local distilleries. While we're waiting to get on the train, let's look at our route to Dufftown. The Whisky Line, at 11 miles long, still passes quite a few distilleries. Today, there are two intermediate stations at Towiemore, a request stop, and Drummuir. The route is single track throughout. Let's get on board. Knee room is fine if no one is opposite you, and the seats are comfier than modern offering, although not high-backed. Anyway, let's go.
There's sheep there. And the dogs.
It is the way it is. Yeah. There's hills and mountains, trees everywhere.
That's a dog.
Oh, yes.
What? You next one of them then.
As we head into our destination, a couple of more modern units are being restored for future use. Time to stretch our legs. Dufftown is the nerve centre of the railway where the trains are housed. There's a cafe adjacent and a ticket office with various paraphernalia. While it's a 20-minute walk to Dufftown itself, you have Glenfiddich Distillery on your way. Personally, I had a look round the Strathyler Distillery and sat in the bar, watching people taste their new favourite tipple. Just tea for me though, and very nice it was too. And that's our trip on the Whisky Line. Hope you enjoyed it, safe travels, and thanks for watching.